Welcome to our video on 10 easy strategies to get more done in less time. Are you tired of feeling like you are constantly busy but still not getting everything done? Do you feel like your to-do list is never ending? If so, this video is for you. We will discuss 10 strategies that you can start implementing today to become more productive and efficient with your time. Strategies. H2, Strategy 1. Prioritize your tasks. First, we need to prioritize our tasks to ensure we are focusing on the most important ones. Start by making a to-do list and then determine which tasks are urgent and important. Focus on completing the high-priority tasks first and then move on to the less important ones. H2, Strategy 2. Create a schedule. Creating a schedule is essential to managing your time effectively. Set aside specific times for each task and stick to your schedule. This will help you stay focused and avoid distractions. H2, Strategy 3. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is important to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable steps and focus on completing one step at a time. This will help you feel more accomplished as you complete each step and make progress towards your larger goal. H2, Strategy 4. Take breaks. Taking breaks is essential to avoid burnout and maintain focus. Schedule in short breaks every hour or so to recharge and come back to your tasks with a fresh perspective. H2, Strategy 5. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a major time waster. Identify your biggest distractions and take steps to eliminate them. This may mean turning off your phone, closing your email, or working in a distraction-free environment. H2, Strategy 6. Use time management tools. There are many time management tools available that can help you stay focused and organized. Use tools such as a timer or project management software to help you manage your time more efficiently. H2, Strategy 7. Say no. Learning to say no is important to avoid taking on too much and feeling overwhelmed. Determine your priorities and say no to tasks or projects that don't align with them. H2, Strategy 8. Delegate tasks. Delegating tasks can help you save time and be more efficient. Identify tasks that can be delegated to others and assign them accordingly. H2, Strategy 9. Focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can actually be counterproductive. Instead, focus on completing one task at a time and giving it your full attention. You will be more efficient and produce higher quality work as a result. H2, Strategy 10. Review and reflect. Finally, take time to review your progress and reflect on what is working and what is not. Make adjustments as necessary to improve your productivity and ensure you are staying on track. Outro. Thank you for watching our video on 10 easy strategies to get more done in less time. By implementing these strategies, you can become more productive and efficient with your time, feel less overwhelmed, and achieve more success in your personal and professional life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on productivity and time management.